to a day in my life where I haven't gotten out of bed yet. American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. I've been cheated by you since I got away. Wow! You would not believe your eyes if there were a million fireflies. I'm weird 'cause I hate goodbye. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. So why can't you see you belong with me? 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel the heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. I heard that you were talking shit and you didn't think that I would hear it. All about girl. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. I'm even dreaming, shooting for the stars. Baby, to be number one, you got to raise the bar. Don't ever stop. Like someone's supposed to. That girl is a gun, they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. She's running through my mind all day. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na-na-na-na every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. Melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na-na-na-na every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na-na-na-na every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay.
Short video to get 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
Toy flip-flops, manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. 'Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Top that AC with the coolest, and when they come up in the club, they be blazing up. Got stacks on deck, they be staging up. Some stones are never gonna shake me, yo. Take me away. Nobody knows where the rivers flow. I've been recording for like 40 minutes. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Never gonna leave beside me. Well, I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. How about yours? That's the way I like it and I'll never get bored.
Good lord. Is that bubblegum ice cream?
Well, it's not simply bubblegum ice cream. It's Frosty Double Bubble Blast Off.
Why are you with him?
I find him whimsical.
So do I.
Oh wait, effects. Oh, my phone. Watch this. Bang. Why am I holding it like that? Bang.
The thing is, I bought the one that doesn't have the nakul.
Bang. Wow. There we go. Ooh. I like that one. She's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with it. Bang! Here. Let me try split it down like this. I want to try like in the kitchen. We're gonna be cooking bone apple teeth. Ah! This onion is real thick. That's how you make a meal.
Good? Good enough?
Welcome to the wilderness. We're gonna harvest some daisies for winter, next winter's harvest. You have to pick the good ones out of the bunch. Say, these all look like shit. I'll bleep that out. I'm just gonna. There's a special technique to it. You see, you gotta just think, and I'll bleep that out too. And just bang! That's their head. My accent disappeared because I was excited. So you just even it out and you hit it with a bang again. In this one, bang. So 3 is good for next winter's harvest if you wanna die. But that's really it. So thank you for tuning into the Gina worldwide special. You're mad because you're not Australian. He's anger. Big on boy. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time. Bye guys.
I think, according to Bretman in one of his videos, I think the husband, he said, oh, I don't even talk to my dad because he's got his own.
Yeah. So you have like a 401 to it and that kind of stuff? We have all the things you could never get done when you were doing your regular job. Yeah, you start doing some of those things. Yeah. And you'd be surprised how much your day fills up with that stuff. Sometimes, oh, she's hot.
I have the power of God and anime on my side.
I have the power of God and anime on my side.
Wait,
Stars are flickering. And this I think that's
I'm looking at the stars. It's crazy.
Came off.
It's not plugged in. Can you like? Oh my god, my hands free. Like you're so far, bro. Like, what are you on? Like, what are you? Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Nonchalant. Living our best lives.
Oh my god, you can see the selfie stick.
That's the move. Yo, say hi to the vlog. Yup. Oh yeah. Hello. Show your selfie stick. Oh yeah.
selfie stick in a selfie stick.
Wait. Show the screen. Wow, selfie stickception. What?